Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I am Abdullah Kemal Payaki, student of Telkom University Surabaya, with number absent 120123031, and right here I will explain IP routing EIGRP configuration quite by Cisco iOS release 50M and T. Okay, now first one, I will show you a definition of EIGRP. Okay, the Enchanted Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, or short B, EIGRP, is an enhanced version of the Interior Gateway Routing Protocol developed by Cisco. The convergence properties and the operating efficiency of EIGRP have improved substantially over EIGRP, and IGRP is now obsolete. The convergence technology of EIGRP is based on an algorithm called the diffusion update algorithm dual. The algorithm guarantees loop-free operation at every instant through a route computation and allows all devices involved in a topology change to synchronize. Devices that are not affected by topology change are not involved in computation. Information about configuration EIGRP. EIGRP features. First one, increase network width with IP routing information protocol, or short to be RAP. The largest possible width of your network is 15 hops. When EIGRP is enabled, the largest possible width is increased to 100 hops, and the EIGRP metric is large enough to support thousands of hops. Second, fast convergence. The dual algorithm allows routing information to converge as quickly as any currently available routing protocol. Third, partial updates. EIGRP sends incremental updates when the state of a destination changes instead of sending the entire contents of the routing table. This feature minimizes the bandwidth required for EIGRP packets. Fourth, neighbor discovery mechanism. This simple protocol independent hello mechanism is used to learn about neighboring device. And the last one, scaling. EIGRP scales to large network. Next, I will show you EIGRP autonomous system configuration. Configuration the router EIGRP command with autonomous system number argument creates an EIGRP configuration called the EIGRP autonomous system configuration, or EIGRP classic mode. The EIGRP autonomous system configuration creates an EIGRP routing instance that can be used for exchanging routing information. In EIGRP autonomous system configuration, EIGRP VPNs can be configured only under IPv4 address family configuration mode, or virtual routing and forwarding, or short to be VRF instance, and a route distinguisher must be defined before the address family session can be created. When the address family is configuration, we recommend that you configure an autonomous system number either by the autonomous system number argument with the address family command or by using the autonomous system command. Next, EIGRP name configuration. Configuration the router EIGRP command with the virtual instance name argument creates an EIGRP configuration referred to as the EIGRP name configuration or EIGRP name mode. In an EIGRP name configuration doesn't create EIGRP routing instance by itself. It is a base configuration that is required to define address family configuration that are used for routing. In EIGRP name configuration, EIGRP VPNs can be configured in IP4, 5, 4, and IP46 name configurations. A VRF instance and a route distinguisher must be defined before the address familiarization can be created. A single EIGRP routing process can support multiple VRFs. The number of VRFs that can be configured is limited only by available system resource on the device, which is determined by the number, running process, and available memory. However, only a single VRF can be supported by each VPN, and that distribution between different VRFs is not supported. The last one I will show you. Wait a second, guys. The last one I will show you how to configuration EIGRP. Okay. Enabling EIGRP autonomous system configuration. Perform this task to enable EIGRP and create an EIGRP routing process. EIGRP sends update to interface in specific networks. If you do not specify the network of an interface, the interface will not be advertised in any EIGRP update. Configuring the router EIGRP autonomous system number command creates an EIGRP autonomous system configuration that creates an EIGRP routing instance, which can be used for taking routing information. Summary steps. There's 5 summary steps to configure EIGRP. 1. Enable. 2. Configure terminal. 3. Router EIGRP autonomous system number. 4. Network number. And 5. N. Here is the detailed steps. Step 1. Command or action enable. The purpose: enable privilege EXEG mode and enter your password is prompt. There is the example. Step 2. Command or action configure terminal. Example. There's example and purpose. Enter global conversion mode. Step 3, step 4, and step 5. Okay guys, thank you for watching me to show you EIGRP configuration, and see ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.